Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNDT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And I talked about on Thursday's video how, the final 30 minutes of Thursday, created a pretty interesting situation. It was one of those where, hey, is that the start of something bigger? And yeah, it indeed was the start of something bigger. So what I'm gonna do is a little house cleaning here and just get rid of that line. And then there's a couple of updates here that now need to be made. And both these updates are based on the same principle that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So both the level right there at 780 was broken, therefore that's an area of support, and then the level up here at 820 was also broken, so therefore this would now be considered an area of support. 820 definitely the ideal level when you say, hey Clay, what make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay above 820, but even if the price doesn't hold above it, I'm not saying that means the entire chart is destroyed or anything like that, because I mean, if you think about it, the price could break down through there, could go down to that level, behave like that, and then start to work its way back upwards. And if you kind of just envision where the lows would be at, so if you had a low right there and then you had a low down there, and if you envisioned each one of those as stair steps, well, what do you have? Well, hey, you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's just going to make progress forward. So yeah, again, 820 would be great and an impressive sign of power if the price can stay up above there. But if it doesn't, then like I said, you still do have that $7.80 area of support down below. Now, what about levels of resistance going into next week? As far as where the sellers are at, initial level to keep an eye on going into next week is right up there at about $8.55. You can see that is basically where the party stopped on a few different occasions late afternoon. And if the price can push up through there, then the next key level right up there at $9.05. Overall, though, no doubt about it, very nice bounce today. Good continuation from the final 30 minutes on Thursday. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.